How to draw doodle in Instagram chat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to draw doodle on Instagram chat. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram, and after that just simply go to the DM section from the top right corner, and after that just open the chat in which you want to send the doodle. And once you have opened the chat, in order to draw the doodle, you just simply have to click on this plus icon from the messenger bar. And after that, you will be able to see the option called draw. Just simply tap on it, and now you have different options to select the pen of your choice. So for example, if you're using this one, you just simply select the color of your liking, and you just simply have to draw it using your finger. So for example, I'm writing hello over here, and now I want to draw a sunflower maybe. Yeah, it looks fine. And then just simply do whatever you want to do. You can go as creative as you want to, and just simply have fun. And you can also change the brush over here. And if you don't like it, just go to the back section. I'm using this one, this so you can actually draw your imagination over here and tell the other person using this doodle feature. You can use it like this. And yeah, it's quite fun. And once you are done, just simply click on this arrow icon, just simply tap on it, and this doodle will be sent to this person and they will be able to see it on their chat. And it's quite fun. So this is basically how you will be able to draw doodle in Instagram chat. I hope you find this video to be helpful.